What's up, guys? Don't have my camera today. Just had some complications. Pull up my disclaimer real quick. What am I doing right here? Right, disclaimer. Do that right. Market's already open, but I don't usually trade. It's FOMC today. Got some daily news drivers. Marked out fair value gap on the 15-minute, 1 hour down here. 1 second. Yes. Here. Yeah, 10:30. Crude oil. Let's see. Got 2 p.m. federal fund rate FOMC at 2 o'clock today. So market is probably going to be a little wild. Back to the gap. Sell side up here or buy side. First opening gap. Got an order block here paired with full gaps. Gaps. Marco is really running. just went into our first fair value gap right here. Touched it with that wick. Watching his mentorship yesterday evening while I was on the road. Probably not good to say that, but sometimes if I don't have time to watch him, I'll like put him and at stoplights kind of watch what he's doing. But this would be an entry right here. That's a really good one. He says to put it like right below this candle here. I think I'm gonna put mine at the 50 or 25. So this is a GANs box. So it's basically like you can put fib or retracement levels inside. So 25, 50, and 75 are the retracement levels. I like them better than your regular rectangle things. A little price jump from here. Looks like we're just took out sell side here with the wick. Trading down into that 15-minute fair value gap. I'd like to see this. Like to see that provide support. Sell side is here. How many? 33 handles. Not bad. We took a trade there. I don't. I'm just not experienced enough to trade that open. Just gonna wait till like 45 is when I start looking for trades. Our judo swing, possible judo swing down here. Taking out this little sell side. Form fair value gap here. I might take an entry to go to that buy side. So I'm bullish for today. Paper trading is maintenancing. See if we can get a little rejection off of this. A little bit tired today. But, if this fair value gap can hold. I figured if the reason why I'm trading live on YouTube is I figured if I can get used to being wrong in front of a live audience, not like there's anyone watching, but if I could get used to being wrong on a live audience and feel that pressure, then I will be really good if when I'm trading just by myself, like just without even in front of a live camera. I'm not even feeling anxious. I think that's the like I'm gonna just if I lose, then yeah, I mean it's not that I made a mistake. I mean you can make mistakes. I probably made a mistake if I lose, but if you lose, that's okay. It just you just gotta learn. It's like we're doesn't close off of this swing here. Fair value gap. See if this one can hold. Oh, yeah, stopped up. Should have put my stop there. I got stopped out of that one. Like that would have been probably $40. Your order block. Oh, looks like we're probably gonna go for this sell side here. just mark out where I took my trade so I can review it. See support off of this. Stop loss was too tight. Or maybe it's going to go against me. Let's see. Dug deeper into the sell side. Here. Step. Probably not going to trade very long today. What? I'm so tired. I feel like once you start having kids and start like having a job, like just life, like your days off just become work days with errands. And that's, oh man, when your parents told you enjoy it while you're young. Yeah, that's probably true. Hindsight, right? Hindsight is always a thing. Man, like you're a kid, don't have to worry about stuff. Food, or for most, just some kids don't have that luxury, but for me, I had a pretty good childhood. But man, like food, everything is taken care of. Food and housing, and so now that you're older and you have kids of your own, now that I'm older, it's like you have to provide not only food and housing, which is, it's an easier part to do, but also emotional support and your time, which is, I mean, I love my kids and I love to give them my time, but when you got full-time school, trying to make trading work, and then full-time job, and then doctor's appointments and errands to run and things to, it's hectic. We can get a We have a high possibility of going up to that buy side. Kind of where I thought it was going to go. I've been thinking about this too, right? Like, we have, like, for example, order block on the 62. My take profit would be the 62 level, especially on like days like this, where there's big news drivers. Like take a trade down here on a 15-minute fair value gap, and then take profit on the 62. I don't think that's very many handles though. If we got it in around there somewhere. Oh, it's 33. 33 is good. I will see if this can project price. Just touch that fair value gap. Mainly rejected off that order block there. Is this still holding price right now? But we might. There you go. See if we can close above that. Get a bigger perspective here. We already did take out the buy side from London session. Hi, babe. No, what is it? Coffee. Thank you, love. I have an amazing woman. Just to let you guys know, she's pretty cool. All right. Let's see. All that was already taken buy side from London. So we're just trading within this range here right now. Sell side. Ooh, that's straight. I like the order blocks paired with fair value gaps. Like if you have a order block, and you also have a fair value gap above it, So we keep making higher highs here or higher lows. Take out. Notice why do some candles open so high and some candles open at the low? There we go. Still wicking it. Top of this order block here. We're definitely going to be pushing through this. But might be accumulating shorts. Or this is accumulation right now. Just gonna wait, set up my hand. Just gonna wait, sit on my hands. I think I could say it would go either way. I think we're gonna take out some more sell side, but could go either way. I don't like it hanging around in that fair value gap for very long like that. Two. My life. Okay. Just making sure my live stream is still going. All right. So all these, ooh, I squeaked there. All these fair value gaps are, like inverse. They, how would I say this? You always, I wouldn't say always, but more than likely, you get a rejection. See, like right here, went into it, rejected off of it, right? Well, went into it here, rejected off. It doesn't mean that I mean, depends on what you're aiming. If you're like high frequency scalping, maybe, but doesn't mean that you're going to see a run towards the upside like this. Like this order block here doesn't mean that this candle is confirming that it's going to take out that buy side, nor does the um that confirm that it's going to take out that buy side. It could, and I think that's where I don't know. I think learning, that's where I get confused sometimes. I think that's also through experience, but this is my trade right here. If I was to take a trade, where was that on the 5 minute? That looked really clean to me. I like that. Like this. I don't trade too many inverse fair value gaps because I don't know them. But this right here, I like that. I'd be taking a trade here and here. As well as it being inside my the OTE optimal trade entry. Like that. This is really just bouncing back and forth. So like for example, when this order block was formed, that one was formed, we would like to see it, progress even further. Well, you could have a little retracement, but we were kind of just chopping. And so since it was just chopping around like this, I don't, even though there might be inverse, there might be order block, whatever it is, I'm just gonna wait until market shows me that it wants to be have some clearer price action. But on a day like today, with news drivers coming out at 2:30, there's probably gonna be a lot of chop, and I'll probably end my stream in like, see what it is, probably in like 20, 22 minutes. See if we can find something at the maybe the 10:30, 10:45. If not, then we got buy side here, minor buy side. It's large. Large sell side. Large buy side. Oh, That's too much. There we go. From the Hoogie Loogie Mountain?
Found it on the Hoogie Loogie Mountain.
Oh, that is so nice. Did you have to climb really, really far?
Yeah, but don't take now.
Okay. That is almost done, okay? Yeah. Oh, I did drop a little bit. Looks like we're gonna probably take out this sell side here. So that'll be our target. Took out that sell side. We'd like to see if this is going to go to further down. We'd like to see if fair value gap remain open. Otherwise, that move there just might have been a run to take out the sell side, and then we push it up. Just looks like that's what it's gonna do. Still trading inside the 15. Wicked on the 75 retracement level on that 15-minute fair value gap. Didn't have a full body close over it. So that 2 years ago um, when I was trading moving averages, it was so it was so funny. There's this guy on what was that? The one of the prop firms, probably like the first one that ever started. The name escapes me, but they do like little reviews with their traders that were profitable. And this guy's strategy, they went over his strategy, and he was like, all right, so what do you do? How do you win? And he's like, oh, all I do is I just look at the high and then sell at the high and then look at the low and buy at the low. I was like, well, that's easy, you know. It's kind of funny. What we'd like to see, I think we'll go ahead. We're gonna run that buy side, and then this large buy side. Um, but I need an entry reason, which is kind of what we're looking for now. I would place an entry. Oh shoot, I forgot to measure that out. I don't like that actually. Need to wait for something a little bit more clear, like a fair value gap or something. As far as my strategy goes. No, I said 10:30. Yeah. 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 like we were trading slide that. Just took out. If we do 10. We're just still trading around that this fair value gap on the 15-minute. Where's that little button here for me to slide this? Let's duplicate one of these. It's about the same to me. No divergence. I think that's a turtle soup in here. Yeah, we're just playing around down there. So I'm just waiting. What time is it?
I'm still recording.
Oh, yeah.
I want to take the kids to the library.
I'd like us to see us break this, then have a retracement, and then push back up. Might run without us, but I mean, that's okay. I'm not expecting much today, so I'd like to see it trade down to this one. Dude. Oh, you do. Yeah. Oh. Coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Wait. This is probably going to be a very uneventful morning, which is what I've expected. But still try to trade it. Oh, paper trading is still down. No way. No way, no way. I would not good to trade on FMOC days, but yeah, interesting study just to watch price. And it's already 9:35, so yeah, I'm gonna end the stream pretty soon. I'm gonna call it a day. It's slow just because we have news drivers at 2:30, so it's just gonna be lollygagging. We did had some nice runs this morning, taking out liquidity, sell side here and here, and then yeah. I'm gonna back test something real quick, actually. See if we go on the 15. Might as well. I don't have anything. Not gonna be trading probably for the rest of the day. Let's go back. Just looking at swing points on the 15 and seeing how many of these swing points traded off of fair value gap from the previous day. And how much. Look at that. It held all that price. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally broke below it here. And let's see where that just took out. That was a liquidity run here. Or was it? It had to bounce off something, right? Where are we at? Must be bouncing off of something here. Probably it's a 4-hour. There it is. We're bouncing off of. These are 15-minute and 1-hour media arrays seem to hold price really well. So if you just took a trade down here at the 70 level, the 25, could at least aim like sell side here, aim for that, sell side here, here, didn't quite reach there. And even if you aim for that, and just watch how it traded inside that fair value gap. starting to think I kind of want to, like, on the higher time frame, the 15, frame a trade on the 1 minute. So at least for like fair value gaps. Order block. This is actually the better fair value gap up here. Right off that order block if you wanted to just touch it. If you wanted to get at the very top. Swing right here. Where did this swing off of? Off of that order block. Swing off there. I swung off here. The other end, if we look at this order block failed. I'm sorry, that fair value gap fell. So where is it coming from? It's coming from this one. And a bullish market. Or bearish. Here. This one failed. So that one's already been trading into here. So you could pretty much outline all your swing points with order blocks, or I'm sorry, with fair value gaps and order blocks. Here, here, here had some swing. Here, here. This was just a deeper retracement of this price leg. So honestly, that's the perfect one right here. With a optimal trade entry zone. So it's at a discount, basically, is all it means. Oh, I just like marking up my charts like this. It's kind of cool to like train your eye to see these things. And I kind of wanted to see the 15-minute fair value gaps and how price reacts around those levels. Have one here, one here. Oh, I did take a trade up here somewhere. this is not very entertaining. I'm just back testing. And it's for my journal. It's not really. I'm probably not going to make anything entertaining or educational for at least a year. This is just for my journal. I'm not trying to grow a big following. I'm just trying to trade. Hopefully I can get good at it. Here, rejected. Take profit there probably. Or at least see how market wants to react. What time is that? 3 o'clock? Or 2:30? 3 o'clock. 3:15. So you got your 4:10 or your 1 o'clock. You got your 11 o'clock or 10:10 to or 10:50 to 11 here. So that's 10 o'clock. So you're 9:50 to 10:10 here. And then I think if we did this right, 9:30 traded right into the middle of that, which is the one of his strategies. That one I'm not sure. I think I'd have to. Or what this swing is trading off of. Let's see. It's like a puzzle. Just gotta connect the pieces. I'm not sure. Where's this at? All right. Well, anyways, didn't really backtest. I was just studying price. There it goes to the buy side I was aiming for. That little fair value gap. See, the reason why this fair value gap is better than this one up here is because it's in a discount. It's below the 50% level. Technically, I could take that, but I like to see. I'm still adjusting because I was thinking about adjusting towards like the first fair value gap below the 50% of the range here, that range there, or the price leg. And the price leg has to take out a buy side if we're bullish, which it did here. looks like we left the large buy side intact. Take a trade here. Anyways, I'm still done for the day. Let's see, what time was that? 10:30. Now it's at 10:50. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Alright, next time.